Welcome to our demo video for the Arctic Haze Professional Pipe Freeze Kit. Work faster and more effectively on plumbing jobs without draining down the system or switching off the mains. Switch off the pump to ensure the water is not flowing and close any valves. Ensure water temperature is as cool as possible, ideally below 20 degrees Celsius. Select the correct size freezing jacket and attach the pipe, ensuring it's as secure as possible. Tighten the ends using the toggles. Attach the valve to the top of the can of pipe freezer included in your kit. You can use the weighing scale to see how much refrigerant you have left in the can before starting. If you're carrying out a dual freeze, use the T-piece to connect the nylon tubes between the can and the jackets. Now you're ready to go. Open the valve on the can, allowing the refrigerant to enter the jackets. If you flood the jackets, you'll see refrigerant leaking out of the ends, so reduce the supply using the valve. Repeat until you have used the dose indicated on the side of the can, or you hear a click sound, which indicates the ice plug has formed. It is important to wait a further 60 seconds before you start your repair. Now you can safely carry out your job with no need to drain down. Pipe freezing reduces your total job time by 85% on average. When you're finished, it's time to remove the pipe freezing jackets and pack away the reusable components in the carry case. Thank you for choosing the Professional Pipe Freeze Kit from Arctic Haze.